In this video I will show you how to quickly and very simply solve the problem that you have, and the topic of this video: how to turn off SOS only on iPhone 10 and iPhone 10R. Thick signal dropping, no service, it's okay. So now I show you best of the best methods solution how to fix this problem. Okay, please click like and write in the comments whether yours got up or not, your likes, yeah, and ask your questions in the comments and I will create a video answer. So now we go settings, the step number 1, the first step, and please click search and typing the text reset network settings. Yeah, we go reset and you see reset network settings, click, or we go home, go back and tap we go general and swipe down and transfer of reset iPhone, reset network settings, and enter your passcode to your iPhone and check if this method works for you, not works, and please write in the comments work, not work. And we go mobile data and turn off and turn on Tumblr mobile data activation, this function. Okay, now we go home and now I show you way number 2 how to fix this problem. Okay, press the volume up and then the volume down and then the off button and hold until the Apple logo appears. Now I show you slowly: press volume up, volume down, and press and hold off button and hold until the Apple logo appears. Yeah, okay, now I show you. So press and hold button, turn off, hold, and now you see dark screen and hold, and now you see Apple logo and finish it. Yeah, and don't turn off hold. So now waiting your iPhone loading. Okay, and enter your passcode to your iPhone. Okay, so enter your passcode to your iPhone and check if this method works for you, not works, guys, and please write in the comments. So now I show you way number 3 how to fix this problem. Okay, press and hold 2 button turn off and button okay, reload. Press and hold 2 button turn off and volume down. Press and hold, yeah, and waiting 2 or 3 seconds and you see. Okay, now I show you slowly: press and hold and you see slide to power off, yeah, and left to right press and see your iPhone turn off and clear the cache. Your iPhone may be completed and fix this your problem. Yeah, please check if this method works for you. Okay, now I showed you 3 effective methods today how to fix this problem. If you can't do it, write the model number of your iPhone and I'll shoot a video for you. It's not a problem. Yeah, please write in the comments model number of your iPhone and version as your iPhone, and I show you how to fix this problem your iPhone. Yeah, it's very cool way. Please click like and write in the comments whether yours got up or not, your likes, yeah, and ask your questions in the comments and I will create a video answer. So thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel please, bye.